Okay, well, basically we got it nice and mixed up. And now what we do with this, we have the thing. Okay, we just put this in here and we put a clip in it to hold it.
And that goes in tomorrow.
That goes in tomorrow. And what we're going to do is we're going to take a walk over there, the ones that were done yesterday, and we're going to take a look at them. And you can take a look, you see, this here is all now neutralized. If you look at it, you really can't see any more of the yeast on the grape skins because it's all been neutralized. And if you look at this bucket, you can see like there are the bubbles, little bubbles in there. See like there was a bubble there? And it's bubbling. You can see it bubbling. This is the yeast that is ready to go in. It's supercharged. It's ready to rip into the sugar. Pour it in. Take this. Somebody take that. We need this. And this is what we call punch down. So we're punching it down to mix it in. Now in 2 days, all those solids will be up top and the juice will be on the bottom, or which is, actually we have wine here now because there's a little alcohol in it. But not enough really to call it a full wine. But in a week, you can sniff this and get a little dizzy because it's just really going. But when you come back in a week, we'll be tasting this and you will be surprised.